Living in a warm, moisture-heavy environment means indoor comfort depends on more than just cooling systems. Heat and humidity can easily build up inside a home, making rooms feel sticky, heavy, and uncomfortable. One often overlooked factor in managing these conditions is the quality of your windows. For homeowners in Pompano Beach, installing new windows can make a noticeable difference in reducing both heat and humidity indoors. Why older windows struggle with heat and moisture? Older windows were not designed with today's comfort expectations in mind. Over time, seals wear out, frames shift, and gaps develop. These weaknesses allow warm air and moisture to pass freely into the home. In Pompano Beach homes, this can lead to constant indoor humidity and uneven temperatures. Even when cooling systems are running, poor-performing windows make it harder to maintain a comfortable environment. Creating a stronger barrier against outdoor heat, new windows are built to slow heat transfer between the outdoors and the interior of the home. Improved glass design and tighter seals help block heat before it enters living spaces. For Pompano Beach homeowners, this means less heat buildup near windows and more consistent temperatures throughout the home. Rooms feel cooler and more balanced, even during warmer periods. Reducing humidity through better sealing. Humidity often enters a home through tiny gaps around windows. When outside air seeps in, moisture comes with it. Older windows commonly allow this unwanted airflow. New windows fit more precisely and seal tightly against the frame. In Pompano Beach homes, this improved sealing helps reduce the amount of humid air entering indoors, supporting a drier, more comfortable environment. Limiting condensation on interior surfaces. Condensation can form when warm, humid air meets cooler interior surfaces. Older windows with poor insulation often contribute to this issue. New windows are designed to reduce temperature differences on the glass surface. For Pompano Beach homeowners, this means less condensation, fewer damp areas around windows, and improved overall comfort. Supporting balanced indoor temperatures. Heat entering through outdated windows can cause hot spots near seating areas and living spaces. This uneven temperature distribution makes certain rooms uncomfortable. With new windows, Pompano Beach homeowners often notice improved temperature balance. Living spaces near windows feel more comfortable and usable throughout the day. Helping indoor systems work more efficiently. When heat and humidity constantly enter through windows, indoor systems must work harder to compensate. This leads to discomfort and inconsistent performance. New windows help reduce this strain by keeping unwanted heat and moisture outside. Pompano Beach homeowners benefit from a more stable indoor environment without constant adjustments. Improving comfort in moisture-prone rooms. Rooms such as bedrooms, living rooms, and kitchens can all be affected by humidity. New windows help prevent moisture from lingering in these areas by limiting infiltration. For Pompano Beach homes, this leads to spaces that feel lighter, fresher, and more pleasant for daily living. Enhancing indoor air quality and comfort. Excess humidity can make indoor air feel heavy and uncomfortable. By reducing moisture entry, new windows help improve how the air feels inside the home. Pompano Beach homeowners often find that their homes feel more breathable and comfortable after upgrading windows, especially during warmer periods. Long-term comfort you can feel every day. New windows provide lasting benefits that go beyond appearance. Their ability to manage heat and humidity continues year after year without frequent maintenance or adjustments. For homeowners in Pompano Beach, replacing old windows is a practical step toward better indoor comfort. By reducing heat and humidity at the source, new windows help create a home that feels cooler, drier, and more enjoyable every day.